And breaking inputs coming in this minute, marking 37 years of 1984 Sikh riots, Akali Dal has staged a candlelight vigil in the national capital at Rakabganj Gurdwara that is headed by Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Those pictures on your screens marking 37 years to the 1984 riots, from where Sumi is now joining us as we get you these latest pictures from the national capital. Sumi, this is of course being led by Manjinder Singh Sirsa, 37 years of the 1984 Sikh riots that still remains painful even to this day.
Yes, absolutely. It's highly unfortunate that today marks the 37 years of the Sikh genocide that took place in 1984, and which is why this candle march was being taken by the Rakabganj and also the Sikh Management Committee's chairman, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, who also happens to be the Shiromani Akali Dal leader. And he took the candle march with hundreds of members of the Sikh people belonging to the community. And in fact, right now, I'm standing opposite the Wall of Truth, where people are still present here expressing their solidarity with the families of the victims who had undergone the horror of 1984. In fact, this is a very special area where I am going live from, and the entire walls have been engraved with the stories of what exactly happened in 1984, how this entire genocide was perpetrated. And in fact, there have been several placards that also says justice delayed, justice denied, because it's been 37 years, it's been close to 40 years, and compensation has also not reached the families of the victims. 10 states were also been given a notice by the minority community, including Delhi, Jharkhand, Odisha, to give a reason, to give a proper report on the delay and also to inquire as to why this delay is happening in the first place in compensating the victim families. And in fact, these walls have these names engraved of all the Sikh soldiers who have been martyred, and we see these candles are still burning here. They are a symbol of peace and also tranquility and solidarity, which is being expressed by the members of the Sikh community. There have been names engraved in these walls, and also pictures that have been given out in these walls of the horror of 1984. This is certainly a very historic moment, and they have been constantly training their guns against Congress, who have been welcoming the perpetrators of this crime, especially Jagdish Tytler, who also becomes chief guest occasionally on every now and then in many of the Congress's programs.
Absolutely, Sumi, and this reminder that comes in again and again. Thank you for the moment for joining us. We move on to other top stories.